I'm James Marquez from BSCPE 3. So ito po yung midterm exam laboratory microprocessor. So ito po yung number 1 question or problem. Greenhouse temperature regulator. A greenhouse manager needs a system to maintain an optimal temperature inside the greenhouse. The system should cool the greenhouse when the temperature exceeds 25 Celsius and heat it when the temperature falls below 18 Celsius. Provide visual feedback on the current mode, heating, cooling, or standby. Materials: Arduino Uno, temperature sensor, 2 LED, red for heating, blue for cooling, 220 ohm resistors. So, ito po yung code. So, yung pag bumaba daw po ng 18 Celsius, ang mangyayari is, so 18 standby. Then pag bumaba siya sa 18 Celsius, mangyari sa kanya is iinit yung room. Ito po indication niya is red LED light. So sa 25 naman po, 25 Celsius is magiging standby siya. Pag lumagpas siya sa 25 Celsius is lalamig po siya. Ito po indicator is LED light blue. So ito po yung mga code niya. Ito nga po yung binabanggit ko. So ayan po. So yung number 2 pong question or problem. Smart classroom lighting system. School wants to implement a system to automatically adjust the classroom lighting based on the amount of natural light available, ensuring optimal lighting conditions for students using PWM signal to vary the amount of light intensity for LED. So yung materials niya is Arduino Uno, ultrasonic proximity sensor, and LED 220 and 220 ohm resistor. So yung code po niya is pag pag po pag po 100 100 yung brightness niya is 100 pababa, mas malapit, malakas yung ilaw. Makikita naman po natin dito sa serial monitor yung brightness niya and distance. So habang lumalayo po siya, which is yung threshold po is 100, pababa po na pababa ng kanyang brightness. Ayun, on cm. So yung close threshold po niya is pag hanggang umabot po siya ng 250, nagiging mamamatay na po yung ilaw. So ito lang po ulit. Habang bumababa siya, lumalakas yung brightness, then iilaw siya. Then pag lumalayo, baba po yung ilaw or mamamatay siya. So yun lang po, bali ito po mga code. Makikita po dito yung mga distance sa brightness, kung paano po siya gumagana. Then yung mga kung saan po siya yung nakalagay yung mga pins. So yun lang po sa number 2. Sa problem number 3, ito po yung question niya. Parking garage car counter. A parking garage needs a system to count the number of cars that enter and exit. The count should not exceed the garage capacity of 10 cars. If the garage is full, a red LED should light up, preventing more cars from entering, and a green LED should light up when entering is permitted. So yung materials niya, Arduino Uno, ultrasonic proximity sensor, TOLED which is red and green. Red for stopping the car to park, and green pag permitted pa siya. So ito po, 220 ohm resistor. So dito po siya gumagana. Clear muna natin. Then start. So pag ito po yung halimbawa, ito po yung kotse. Bali pag pumasok po siya, yan, nakikita naman po natin sa serial monitor kung ilan yung nade-detect na car. So yung parking capacity niya lang is 10. Pag nag-exceed na siya sa 10, mangyayari is magla-light up yung red. Ibig sabihin po nun ay puno na yung parking lot. So ayun lang po yung mga code kung saan po yung mga nakalagay yung pin. So yan po. Bali 4 cars, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then puno na po, ibig sabihin po puno na yung parking lot. Pag nag-exceed na siya sa 10, magiging iilaw na po yung red light. So yun lang po. Ito po siya.